Hello fashion lovers. Today we are making this Vicky James gown. All right. This is Halter neck. Now if you look closely, there is it has cow neck on the front part of it. Now for you to make this dress, this is mesh fabric. Okay, mesh net, but it's flowered mesh. Okay, now it has to be a stretchy fabric because there's no zip on this dress. Okay, it is stretchy all through. So basically, if you're working with a stretchy fabrics, you must have it in mind. You will not be needing sewing allowance. There will be no darts. Okay, so this is my calculation. My bust divided by 4, waist divided by 4, hip divided by 4. My bust is 10 when divided by 4, and my waist is 32 divided by 4 gives me 8, and my hip 10 and half. Okay, so my half length I added 1 inches because they will be joining, so in total I have 17. And for my gown length, all right, which is 60, this is a full length. Okay, so if I minus my half length from it, that will give me the remaining. This is for my pencil skirt. Yes, it's a pencil long skirt, and the upper part of the joint together gives you the full gown. So let's move. This is my calculation. No allowance added, no data allowance, no sewing allowance, no any other allowance, no ease allowance. Okay, so basically you need your basic pattern first to go about this. It is alternate. So first we have to get an alternate first. Okay, so this is my basics, my shoulder, bust, waist. Okay, I've drafted it. Now for my shoulder to bust, where I marked, which is my armhole depth, I use 9. Now the next thing, I'll start marking my bust measure. Remember, according to the calculation, I got 10, so I'll just mark 10. Remember the calculation we did earlier, it was 10, so I'll mark 10 on my bust. Now then for the waist, we'll be working with 8. Okay, so I'll mark 8, then connect it. So guys, my waist is 8 and my bust is 10, 8. Okay, so basic measurement first before drafting our alternate. So I will connect it. Then once I've done that, I'll come to my waist. To my bust, curve the armhole the way it should be. All right. Once you've done that, the next thing is get your tape. Now remember, this is an alternate. It has cowl neck, but first we have to treat it as alternate first. Okay, so alternate, you know our neck bone. All right, whatever turtleneck or whatever kind of neck, it is 3 in depth. So what I marked now is neck depth 3. Okay, you can see where it is by the neck bone on her. So I marked 3, took my rule, connected it straight to the 3 in this form. This is halter neck and it has cow neck. So you have to treat it as halter neck first before achieving the cow neck. Now I'll try to zoom this picture very clearly for you to see how the neck is and where the cow neck, how it came about. Okay, so this is it. We have gotten this. Next thing is to cut to get our pattern, which we'll use to trace the cowl aspect of it. Okay, so you cut. Now our pattern is ready. This is all we need. Every other part is off. We don't need it. Okay, Now, having gotten this, I'll get another plain sheet, another plain paper, pattern paper, place it. Okay, then I'll get my cowl part of this neck. Now, if you check this dress, this between the bust downwards to the waist, this part is fitted on her. It is fitted, it is not draping. Now, for us to achieve our cowl, we need to cut this part. Okay, that is the part that is a little bit free. So we'll cut. You see what I'm doing? You cut. Take it down. Open it up. See what I did? Now, once you keep opening, see that it's going off, you just have to shift it down to be on the safe side. All right. Now from here, you see where my hand is to where it is now. It's matter of choice how draping you want your cowl to be. All right. Now, what I'll do now is get my tape and determine the width. Now I place my tape. Now I'll be going for 6. You can use 7, you can use 8, you can use 9, you can use 10. The more what I measured now, the more you measure it, the more draping your cowl neck is. But for me, I'll go with 6. But if you think 6 is too small, drop it on the comment section. If you have a better number we should go with, a better draping number, let me know on the comment section, okay? But for me, I just marked 6. If you watch this neck closely, it is just a little bit. It's not too draping, all right? So the draping is not too much. For that, I will not want mine to be too much or exposing some part of the body, all right? So 6 is okay. It will not be too much, all right? So, but first, let me use tape and hold the patterns down so it doesn't shift. Okay, when cutting, place this well, then place the tape on it and hold it firmly. Now we have gotten the part. So guys, I need to hold it down. I will not want it to shift. Now before cutting, I think you can see this part. It has this curve effect. I have to make it straight. All right. Now, if you keep shifting it will look like it is straight. Just keep shifting. Even if you want it more deep, is your choice, okay? So the next thing is to cut. All right. We'll just trace it out. You have to cut the unneeded part out or the excesses out. The down needs cutting. Now remember, I've added 1 inches to my half length, so when tracing it out, I don't need to add additional. So this is our new pattern, okay, which is the cow neck halter neck. What will make it halter neck, you get to know very soon, okay? So let me take out the first pattern, the halter neck pattern first. So this is what we have gotten. Let me open it up. This is it, okay? Now once you fold it this way, you can see it's coming out. This is paper, so but definitely don't worry, at the end you get to see how it looks. Okay, so this is it. So first we need to work on the back. Now if you watch the picture on your screen, you see how the back is. There is no zip, it's just open back. Okay, the back is just straight. So therefore, for us to cut the back, you can see where the back and the front joined. The back and the front joined at the armhole. That is where both of them joined. So this pattern is no longer useful. I might as well turn it to my back pattern. What do I need? Is just to cut through completely. That is my back. Okay. Remember, there's no zip allowance. If you want zip on yours, if the one you're making has zip, then you have to add zip allowance. This is mesh. It is stretchy. So if yours has zip, add zip allowance. If you'll be putting that or any kind of that on yours, make sure you consider that when cutting. So basically, I'm assuming that if you're to sew it, you'll be using mesh or a very stretchy fabric to achieve this. Okay, so that is why I didn't go for that or any other zip allowance or thereabout. So this is mine. Okay, you can see how the back fits. I just placed the back. You can see how we fixed perfectly, open back. Okay, now let me use tape and hold it down firmly before we continue. Okay, the back is very easy to cut. You just, the bust and waist remains the same. Okay, the difference is there will be no upper part of it, like it is a strapless open back. Okay, so guys, please, if you have not subscribed, do subscribe to the channel. Okay, and give this video a thumbs up. Now this is how it will come out. All right, this is paper. I'm trying to fold it to achieve our cow neck perfectly well, but you definitely get to see the end result. So I need pin to hold this down. After folding, I need to hold it down. Now if you're making mesh, remember I said do not add sewing allowance. Okay, it is stretchy. If you add sewing allowance, it will be excess. So let me use pin to hold this part down so I can clearly achieve the drape I need. It's just a tiny cow neck drape at the center, at the chest. Very small. So having gotten it this way, now this particular dress has strap, or do I call it rope, or rope on the neck, or piping, or bias, that is tieable, crossable one at that. Okay, now this is an offshoot cow neck, but when crossed with the rope or bias it has, it becomes halter neck. Okay, and not, for that we'll be using a bias. We'll be needing bias. Okay, now for example, let's say this is the bias. You can bias the down all through. The back can be biased equally, but I'm trying to show you how to achieve the halter neck. Now this is it. You bias this part of the sleeve, the armhole, straight down. Let me fold this properly well first. So let me fold this very well then place it. Now bias here, I have to pin. You bias it straight, like the armhole part of it, straight. All right, that is what I'm trying to explain here. This is the tip of it. You bias it straight, then you equally get the same pieces, bias the other side. Now you should have excess rope, excess fabrics, or excess pipe, or excess straps left, so you'll be able to cross it to give you the alternate. Okay, now having pinned the other side equally, this is how it came out. This is how it look. It's looking more like it. Now, having gotten to this extent, all you need to do is cross it. Okay. So this is it. So this is how it is. You see, when you cut it, when you cross it, it gives you the cow neck and alter neck the same time. You can see how we crossed. Okay, it's giving alter neck, it's equally giving drape cow neck. This is it. So guys, if you have any question, drop it on the comment section. So this is it. So this is it. You see how it is? You see? Let me get pin and pin this. Once you pin it, that is it. So guys, this is how it is. Okay, what do you think? What do you think? Now if you have any question, drop it on the comment section. I will respond to that ASAP.